Hi dear students, in this session I would like to give you small questions regarding to the previous session what I have discussed about the different types of measurements of systems, that is centesimal, sexagesimal, and the other one is a grade system. Okay, so let us observe what is the question here given is 200 grades is equals to how many degrees and this centesimal, and in the what we call in the radian system, radian measurements and gradient measurements. What is the shortcut I have given to you is d by 90 is equals to g by 100. Suppose you take this one, you can find degrees answer. Okay, so what is the g value given is 200, so write d by 90 is equals to 200 by 100. 200 by 100 is 2. So then what is the degree answer is 2 into 90, that will become equals to 180 degrees. So 180 degrees is the right answer for this question. Now here these two other options also there. How they are not the right answers, we will check it. Here these are in radians are there and given is grade. So grade and radians relation is 2 into c by pi. Okay, so you take this is x as radians, that is equals to z value given is 200. Then you do one thing, this is 200 by 100 is equals to 2 into c by pi. Now this is anyway it is 2, 2 got cancelled. Then what is c? The c is nothing but pi. So now pi value is there. So finally we are confirming this is 180 degrees is the right answer for this question. Let us see this question. Second question we have, that is sexagesimal measure alpha is equal to 72 degrees. In radians measure is what? So this degrees value should be converted into radians only. So degrees and radians, what is the relation? D by 90 is equals to 2c by pi. You consider this is c. You have to find the c answer only. So what is the question? Given question is d value they are given 72 degrees. 72 degrees divided by 90 degrees, that is equals to 2c by pi. And one more thing here, if you cancel this is in the ninth table, it will be 8 by 10. So what is this? This is 8 by 10 is equals to 2c by pi, and still you can cancel this one 4 by 5, and after this will be cancelled 2 times. So after cancelling all this, simplify this, you will get 2. C is equals to 2 pi c by 5. So this is the right answer for this question. 2 pi c by 2 pi by 5 in radians. 2 pi by 5 radians is the answer, which is 72 degrees is equals to 2 pi by 5 radians. This is nothing but 72 degrees. Okay, next question we'll see. See dear students, see the next question. Minus 13 pi by 6, minus 13 pi by 6 radians, you have to give that answer in degrees. Any one of these options should come. So what is the radian and degree relation? Once again, see the radians answer degree d by 90. Radian is 2c by pi. So c value already they are given. The given c value we will substitute in the formula to get the d answer. So or else You do one thing. What is the D answer? D is equals to 90 into 2 into pi. Answer is given minus 13 pi by 6 into pi. So C value substituted. Pi got cancelled. The remaining is what? What is the remaining one? Is 2 3s are 6. So 13 into 90. So what is this? Is minus 13 into 90 by 3. So once again you can write this one as minus 13 into 3 30s are 90. So 13 into 30, that is equals to minus 13 3s are 39. So it is 390 degrees. So degree answer is 390. This is the right answer. That too minus 390 is given in the option. So minus 390 is the right answer. Okay, let us see next one. See, dear student, the next question is the radius of a circle is given 21 centimeters. The angle subtended by an arc of the circle at the center is 60 degrees. So radius is 21 centimeters and the angle is 60 degrees given. Find the length of the arc. Find the length of the arc. Actually, in the formula we have length is equals to radius into theta, where theta is in radius, in radians they have expressed. Theta is expressed in radians. So what we do is the degrees given to us should be converted into radians. So what is a degree by 90 is equals to radians 2c by pi. The C answer is nothing but degree is 60 given, 60 by 90 into pi. Okay, 60 by 90 into pi by 2. What is this? This is pi by 6. This is 2 times, this is 3 times. So then 2 got cancelled. So pi by 3. Or else simply you do one thing. 180 degrees is pi radians. So then here 60 degrees, how many radians? Pi by 3. This is another form. So in these two formula, you can use what is that? A radians answer. Now you substitute this radians answer here. R value here. What is R is 21 and theta value. What is the theta value is pi by 3. But we know that pi value is 22 by 7. So you take 21 or you simplify this one. This will become 7 into pi. Pi will be written as 22 by 7. 7 got cancelled. The length will become 22 centimeters. So what is the length of the arc? The length of the arc will be 22 centimeters in this problem. Okay, I hope you understand this problem. Let us see these students. This is the last problem of this session. That is the two arcs with the same length given. So length, if you take L1, that will become equals to L2. Okay, two lengths are equal. The two circles subtended angles are 65 and 110 degrees. The angles are 65 and 110 degrees. Suppose you take the radius R1 for this one and angle theta 1, if you write, this is R1 into theta 1. This is equals to R2 into theta 2. In this particular case, what I will do is nothing but the ratio of the radius we don't know. So what is the ratio of the radius means? So what I will do is R1 by R2 I will take. I would like to find this one only. Then this will become theta 2 by theta 1. This final answer you have to tell. And before that, what is the theta 1? Theta 1 is nothing but that is 65. The 65 should be in radians. 65 should be in radians. Then theta should be in radians, means what is the formula for radians? That is 65 by 90 into pi by 2 is the answer for this one. Okay, so this is one theta 1 answer. What about theta 2 answer? You take degrees here, degrees divided by 90 into pi by 2 will come for this. So you substitute these two things here to get the answer. What is theta 2 answer? Theta 2 is 110 by 90 into pi by 2. Whereas what is the theta 1 answer? Theta 1 answer is this one, 65 into pi divided by 90 into 2. So 90 into 2 anyway got cancelled, and pi got cancelled. The remaining one is 110 by 65. 110 by 65. So if you simplify this, 522 times 110, 513 is 65. So this is 65. So what is the ratio of their radius? R1 is to R2. That will become 22 is to 13. This is the final answer for this question, asking about the radius ratio of the radius. Hope you understand these students, these problems what I have discussed. I am going to come with two different problems, some different problems related to this particular case of angles, grades, as well as the degrees. After that, I will start the trigonometric ratios and functions. Okay, thank you very much.